Recently, a popular Hollywood star Mrs. Donna's house was stolen. The police survey shows Mr. Fett, the CEO of the Pizza International Train Limited, is the invader. However, Mr. Fett denied criminal behavior. The judge said exactly what had happened. Donna complained about her antique peephole doorbell. It didn't work totally. The incident happened in a window and a stormy night. Mr. Fett quietly told it to the Donna's door in hope of peeping at Mrs. Donna. The goddess in his heart, he lingered by the door for a long time, but the antique peephole cannot detect his presence. Suddenly, one idea came to Mr. Fett's mind. I should come into the room to share a romantic night with the goddess. He stepped on the small seat, ring the doorbell. The antique peephole didn't allow her to see who is that on her smartphone. Donna had to come close to the door to see. She looked through the peephole, only saw a vague shadow outside. The antique peephole has no night vision function. Donna thought that must be her Mr. Right and opened the door instantly. She never thought the outside was standing one ugly and fat guy. The wretched Donna said, "What's a cheaping peephole? Ha ha ha!" Peephole doorbell is an essential home security device in modern family. Donna's peephole doorbell should be more smarter. But peephole doorbell is no remote monitoring, no motion detection, and no night vision. So we should select the right smart peephole doorbell. Oh no! It's so dangerous! What kind of peephole doorbell is more safe? Let me recommend one powerful smart peephole doorbell, Rollup iHome8, which is manufactured by Shenzhen Evertons Technology Company Limited. Evertons is specialized in the field of smart home and mobile communication terminal. For past months, we have been hard at work researching and developing, with the goal of making your life more efficiently, secure, and comfortable. Let me share with the powerful functions as below. Our metal material body, more simple, fashion, and generous. 7-inch super big screen, 1024 x 600 high resolution. Capacitive G+G touch screen. It comes with portable power, convenience charging, take out easily, no need extension charging cable anymore. Ultra long standby for 30 days. Wow! No need to change the battery every day. Wi-Fi function, remote video call and monitoring. See, hear, and speak to the person who is at your door anywhere. IPP video recording, GSM phone call and SMS function. Make voice call anywhere. Motion detection, 24 hours intelligent security monitoring. Infrared night vision, making you see the door visitor clearly either day or night. Oh, come on! Really? It's so powerful! Get out of here! Mommy, I forgot to take my key. Remote control to unlock the door. Easy installation. Do it by yourself within 3 minutes. Oh, the smart peephole doorbell is so strong.
If I can't have this powerful smart peephole doorbell before, I could not make much instant.
As an innovative smart home product, our marketing specialists spent several months to follow up the customer's anticipation. Technical team tried to meet their demands by efforts. Today, I just want to tell you, Rollup iHome8 Smart Peephole Doorbell is what you are looking for.